first stop of the day is a quick little waterfall detour. This is right beside Highway 215 at the Living Waters Ministry, and thankfully they allow the public to see this waterfall, or these waterfalls. This is Mill Shoals, also called French Broad Falls, and it's on the North Fork French Broad River. And the cool thing about this one is there's a second waterfall to the left, and that's on Shoal Creek. So it's two waterfalls from two different river bodies at the same time. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, it's hard to really get farther back because the water's pretty deep. I would like to get over here if I could, but I'd have to get wet to get a better picture of both. This is just a really large cascade or small waterfall in the river. No name. So this is the top of Bird Rock Falls, and this is a really awesome little spot in the river. Can't wait to get down there and see the view from the bottom. This is an awesome spot. So that was Bird Rock Falls and Mill Shoals on the North Fork French Broad River. For 30 minutes of easy walking, that is some of the best stretch of water and waterfalls you can find around the area. I also checked the map afterwards, and it turns out that the waterfall on the right at Mill Shoals was Shoal Creek, and the waterfall on the left was the North Fork French Broad River. I believe I said the opposite when I was there. I guess I forgot. So definitely recommend checking that out when you're driving on 215 in Pisgah National Forest. I'm on to my next hike.